Green tea is produced from the leaves of the plant Camellia sinensis and is one of the most popular drinks that it consumed for centuries and have great health benefits. These claims have indeed found domain knowledge, as the recent scientific research has been substantially supportive. This uptick of scientific interest highlights the need to gain an appreciation for the benefits that are specific to regular green tea consumption. In this video, we explore the benefits of green tea referencing scientific evidence. But first, a quick reminder. All content is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as medical advice. Always speak to a healthcare professional before introducing changes to your diet or lifestyle, as some health circumstances and drug interactions could be impacted. What do scientific studies say about green tea? Green tea health effects have been the subject of many studies. Research has shown that its high polyphenol content, including catechins such as epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, plays a role in the many health benefits green tea provides. These compounds have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, lipid-lowering properties, etc. Moreover, green tea are explored for their neuroprotection and its associated cognitive preserving in some studies with increasing neurodegenerative ailments. These results reveal that green tea has multiple health-promoting effects and that it is an exemplary functional beverage. 10 shocking health benefits of green tea. Many people may not realize that green tea has significant health benefits, and there are numerous studies to support this. Here are 10 of the most impressive health benefits of green tea, all backed by science. 1. Antioxidant properties. Green tea is high in antioxidants, which help to reduce oxidative stress and the risk of chronic diseases. The key antioxidants in green tea are catechins, and especially epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which have been demonstrated to neutralize free radicals and protect cells from damage. This protective function is important for reducing the risk of many health problems associated with oxidative damage. Additionally, research has indicated that the antioxidant properties of green tea can increase the body's total antioxidant capacity, which helps protect it from oxidative stress. Due to many beneficial components, green tea consumption reduction in the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular diseases and certain cancers, making it a functional beverage with great health-promoting factors. 2. Enhanced brain function. That aside, the caffeine and L-theanine combo in green tea enhances brain functions such as mood, alertness, and attention span. Less well known is the cognitive enhancing properties of the synergistic interaction of caffeine and L-theanine in green tea. The most widely consumed stimulant is caffeine, and it works by inhibiting adenosine receptors in the brain, reducing the perception of fatigue and increasing alertness. This is L-theanine, which is an amino acid that occurs commonly in green tea, allows you to relax without drowsiness as it enhances the production of inhibitory neurotransmitters such as GABA, dopamine, and serotonin. Caffeine and L-theanine consumed together have been shown to improve attention, reaction time, and working memory more than either compound on its own. The combination has been shown to improve cognitive function as the stimulating effect of caffeine is counterbalanced with L-theanine, a compound that takes away potential jittery side effects often associated with caffeine. 3. Fat burning and improve physical performance. Green tea can boost burning and increase your metabolic rate, which can help with weight loss and provide physical improvement. Healthy benefits not only of green tea, but also improvements reached during training or simply as a result of higher fat oxidation, alongside catechins active ingredients, or catechins, with the highest level of active ingredient as EGCG. The content of the green tea can also mobilize fatty acids from fat tissues, making them available for energy use, which may lead to a further increase from physical performance. Additionally, plenty of research shows that drinking green tea regularly can help you lose weight, especially in the midsection. This effect has been attributed to catechins and caffeine, which work synergistically to enhance energy expenditure and increase the fat oxidation. Regular addition of green tea to an overall healthy diet and training strategy could hence contribute to the management of body weight and enhance metabolic efficiency. 4. Reduced risk of some cancers. That being said, it is worth mentioning that although some research has indicated a possible protective effect that green tea may have in relation to cancer, There is no definitive evidence. The National Cancer Institute says evidence is currently inconclusive about the potential benefits of drinking tea against cancer. So, if green tea can play a role in a healthy lifestyle, it should not take the place of other fight with cancer. 5. Cardiovascular health. Green tea, for instance, has been known to help manage the levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides in the body when taken regularly. In a meta-analysis of randomized controlled trials, the intake of green tea significantly decreased total cholesterol and low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol levels, which are prominent risk factors for cardiovascular disease. Moreover, the antioxidant properties of green tea may prevent oxidation of LDL particles, an event that plays a significant role in atherosclerosis. Additionally, drinking green tea is associated with a lower stroke risk. Such discoveries propose that black tea incorporation into one's daily routine, whether black or green tea, can provide protection against cardiovascular events. 6. Improved insulin sensitivity and lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Green tea contains catechins, specifically EGCG, which are thought to work by increasing insulin sensitivity and enhancing glucose uptake in cells, thus improving glucose metabolism. Such effects can contribute to improved blood sugar regulation and a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Drinking green tea may help people trying to increase insulin sensitivity and blood glucose control. 7. Support for weight loss. It may link to the increased metabolic rate by using green tea for weight loss or increase fat oxidation. Green tea has been investigated for its potential contribution to weight control, partly because of its capacity to increase metabolism and enhance fat oxidation. As noted in this study, the catechins in green tea, particularly epigallocatechin galate, EGCG, are thought to boost thermogenesis, which is a process the body used to create heat and burn calories. Burning more calories through exercise is a major factor in losing weight in the long run. The caffeine in green tea can also help your body use fat as energy and increase your metabolic rate, with some studies showing increased fat oxidation during exercise. Men who took green tea extract before exercise burned 17% more fat than those who did not, according to a study colleagues published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. The studies recommend adding green tea on the side with a well-balanced, healthy diet with consistent exercise. 8. Antimicrobial effects. The catechins found in green tea have antimicrobial effects, keeping bacteria and some viruses at bay, which protects dental health and lowers risk of infection. Research has shown that these catechins can damage the cell walls and membranes of bacteria, thereby inhibit the growth of bacteria. This antimicrobial effect helps to lower the chances of infections and can promote better health. Besides the antibacterial effects, the catechins found in green tea have also been shown to have antiviral effects. Ongoing studies with tea EGCG and fermented green tea EGCG have corroborated its protective effects in various types of microbial infections. 9. Improved brain health and aging. Catechins, especially epigallocatechin galate, EGCG, which is a major bioactive component in green tea, has been studied for its neuroprotective properties. EGCG is also hypothesized to penetrate the blood-brain barrier and exert antioxidant effects that can reduce oxidative stress, a contributing factor in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, according to research. Green tea also possesses anti-inflammatory effects, which may play a role in its neuroprotective benefits. May protect neurons blocks chronic inflammation, a common complication due to the progression of neurodegenerative disorders. The mechanisms are mainly via the modulation of polyphenols found in green tea that may reduce neuronal damage. Terrific news conveys this cumulative action that green tea consumption may protect brain health from aging. 10. Longevity. Several studies show that drinking green tea regularly will help you to live longer and reduce the risk of mortality due to various causes. This indicates that the advantages of green tea on cardiovascular health could help extend their lifespan. Furthermore, Green tea is antioxidant-rich, particularly in polyphenols such as epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which have also been shown to decrease oxidative damage and inflammation, both contributing to aging. Hence, adding green tea to a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle may be an effective measure towards improving overall health and longevity. What are the side effects of green tea? Green tea is considered safe for most people, but consuming too much can cause some side effects due to its caffeine content, including insomnia, anxiety, and digestive problems. Very high doses of this product have also been associated with liver toxicity in very rare instances, so it's best to drink green tea in moderation and check with a healthcare provider if you are concerned. Frequently asked questions. Green tea is a very famous drink that has many essential health advantages. Here are answers to frequently asked questions about its consumption. What happens if I drink green tea every day? Consuming green tea daily will offer antioxidants, help boost brain function, and also promote heart health. Moderation is important to prevent any potential side effects concerning caffeine consumption. What is the best time to drink green tea? You can drink green tea throughout the day, but having it in between meals may enhance nutrient absorption, while limiting iron absorption interference. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can offer numerous health benefits. If you found this information valuable, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and share your thoughts in the comments below.